Oh, hello. I got an Xbox Series S. So let's unbox it. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm kind of excited. I never had one. Oh, it's this way. What's this? Paper? And then this. Power cable. And then HDMI, paperwork. I actually need this because this is my first time having a console. It's just the batteries. And then the thing. Oh, USB-C. Oh my god, I love it. I wonder what this is. And then 3.5mm jack. I'm gonna put in the batteries. I hope they don't break at me. That's the thing. Here's some batteries isn't like it here. Because some batteries can corrode, as you can see. But okay, let me get that. Let me get it this way. Okay. I know how this works. Nothing else. I'm gonna clean this up later, anyways. But yes, it's paper. That's so good for the environment. More paper. This is so good. I like it. Good job, Xbox. I'm proud of you. The compostable packaging. Oh my god, it's paper. That's so good for the environment. Wait, there's no power. Oh my god, it's in halfway. It's in here. Oh my god, that's. Internet cable. Let me go get one. Very quickly. Do you even have one? Yes, I do. Okay, HDMI, internet. Let's plug her in. I should fix the cable organizing. It's getting so bad right now. Okay, okay, the port is a Ethernet cable, 1 gigabit, I believe. 2 USB, a port, HDMI, and short extension. So, okay, god damn it. Okay. I'm gonna put this behind my computer to make it easier. And which one goes to who? Because I don't know. Okay, so this is a bad one, so I'm gonna remove that. Okay. It's behind. For fast Wi-Fi. Oh, so I'm powering it on. Where's the power button? Is this one? That's I'm trying to play around. It's my first time. This is my first time. And no. Okay. I can feel your fans from here. Okay. I'm gonna put this behind somewhere. Put this somewhere. But let's go into the Xbox app. So I'm gonna use my older iPhone SE. You know my password anyway, so let's go to the Xbox app. I'm sweating like crazy. If not, I will use my iPhone. But it's just the monitor itself too. I'm doing part 2 of it. Okay. So let's go to the Xbox app. Okay. It's downloading. What did this do? Have to connect it? Let's get some scissors. Basically my thing crashed, my internet computer crashed. I need to fix that. It's been like a battery, what the hell? Okay, and continue on my device. Basically, that's simple. Just no barriers. Okay, so it's in. Okay, now it's in. I'm just waiting for my Xbox to go through. Now it is. Okay, so let's press and hold under everything. What did I just do? Okay, let's go back. Okay. Oh, my controller. Okay. Wait. How I use this? I have no how. This? Oh, it's A. I like it pink. I like the pink. See other plants. It's no thanks, not yet at least. Cam hole. That, oh my, that's cool. So Flight Simulator, all this crap. This YouTube? Air server? Netflix? Oh, yeah, this is a good movie. This is a good movie. Oh my god, I mean. Okay, so let's get some headphones because I don't have a speaker in here. Hey, it's matches. Okay, so this is how it works. I mean, how to use the thing at the first time. I'm not gonna use this. Like, Home? How would I go home? How? I'm gonna know how to go home. That how to go home? No. So I am no how. I'm so confused. Wait, no. 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 What the hell? I like how rough, but I don't know how to go home. I swear to God, I don't know how to go home. They make it too hard. Is it B? No, that's home. Okay. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hope to take care. Stay safe. Have a good day.